I'm sipping the red. I'm sipping the green, I'm sipping the egg, and I'm
Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this custom color for my cousin. So basically, she just gave me her wig and she told me to freestyle on it, and this is what I came up with. I was going for a peekaboo type of look, so I had lightened up the edges and I had also did the middle pieces along with some ombre, but then also I threw in some green in there just for a little bit of splat. So if you want to see how this install went, just make sure you stay tuned. So first and foremost, to achieve the peekaboo color, I just sectioned off the hair into 3 different sections, and basically I just sectioned off the pieces that I wanted to dye or lighten up. So I did the middle pieces and did the 2 side pieces. So you just see me coloring those with the bleach. I think I used 30 volume developer because since I'm using a green color, it doesn't have to be the lightest, it just has to be lightened so I can get that color on there. So I'm just going to go through and hit all of these sections really quick. After I finish every section, I just make sure that I wrap it up into some foil. This foil just makes sure that everything is secure and it speeds up the bleaching process. And I also go through sections when I'm bleaching the hair to make sure I'm hitting every single piece and not missing anything, because I don't want to go back and do a redo on this, because this is a simple little process. So when I'm done, I just pin all of the pieces up, and I think I left this on for 30 to 40 minutes, not that long. Like I said, I'm just trying to lighten it up a bit, and I also had leftover bleach, so I just put that on the ends, and then this is how it came out. So I could have left it like this. This is really cute. I think I'm actually redo this on a wig, but like I said, I wanted to add a little bit more spunk, so I decided to go in with some color. So for today's color, we're going to be using the Adore Emerald dye. I think this is just like a bluish green, so it came out really more so green, so I guess like a bluish green emerald. But yeah, I'm just going to mix that into some hot water, and then I'm going to just dip the wig. And since the other parts of the hair is black, it doesn't really matter that I'm dipping the whole wig. And another watercoloring hack: when you're about to dip your wig, make sure you always spray the lace. I use Got To Be Free spray for my lace. Basically just protects the lace from dyeing along with the color. So little coloring hack to remember all the time. So after I'm done mixing that color in, I'm just going to dunk the wig like you see me doing. It doesn't really matter which part of the wig you put in first, because I like to let my wig saturate inside of the color for a little bit. So basically after I dip it, I like to just make sure I swirl it around to get all the color, and then I leave it on probably for about 5 minutes to make sure that everything is dyed. Okay, so this is how the color came out. I feel like it's giving very much so Shigo vibes, but also it reminds me of Billie Eilish's hair, like when she had the little green in the middle. So I'm definitely like rocking with this color. Is 5 period. So yeah, like I said before, like, I feel like I'm gonna try to do the peekaboo with other colors, but I definitely like this. It's giving very much so Shigo, snake, all that. Should I redo her?
No, it's okay.
Oh my god. Then turn around, I'm gonna do the back. Like a little mermaid.
That's what I do.
So different. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And also go check out my business page. I'm also going to be linking my other personal pages down in the description. So thank you for watching. Bye.